Physical and chemical changes. A physical change does not produce a chemically new substance. Chemical changes do produce new substances. Some examples of physical changes include breaking, dissolving, distilling, cutting, and any change in state. Some examples of chemical changes include rusting, burning, metabolizing food, oxidation and reduction, or reacting with oxygen. Some common signs that show a chemical change might have taken place include bubbling, getting hot or cold, a color change, light given off, or formation of a precipitate, an insoluble substance made from two soluble substances. However, some of these signs also accompany physical changes. For example, boiling produces bubbles, but boiling is a physical change. Energy changes can be seen in changes in state or dissolving. Color change can also be seen in dissolving, such as when Kool-Aid is dissolved in water. A physical property describes physical aspects of the matter, while a chemical property describes how the matter reacts chemically with other matter. If you cannot determine if a change was chemical or physical, test the properties of the matter before and after. If they are different, then the change was chemical. If they were the same, the change may be physical. A change that people often confuse for chemical is dissolving, but the process can be undone by evaporating the solvent back out. Since the original change can be undone by a physical change, the original change must be physical as well. There are several terms that people often use interchangeably or in the wrong manner. These words have very different meanings and should be used correctly. Melting is a change from a solid into a liquid. It's a physical change. People often say something is melting when it really is dissolving. Burning is a chemical reaction with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. People will often say they burned something when really they heated or melted it. Dissolving is adding one substance to another to form a homogeneous mixture. It's a physical change. Drying is heating a sample to evaporate the water, such as when you dry your clothes, and that is a physical change. A macroscopic property is one that we can see, observe, and measure. A microscopic property is one that we cannot see, the actual atoms and molecules that make up the matter. Besides the study of matter and its interactions, chemistry can also be defined by attempting to explain the macroscopic properties that we can observe by using the microscopic structure, the atoms and molecules.